In today's video, we will be doing a 5 minutes mobility routine to keep the spine healthy. So find yourself a firm surface chair or stool where you can sit with the pelvis slightly higher or in line with the knees here. Feel your pelvis grounded on the seat of the chair and your spine upright and aligned. Sit here and feel your inner alignment as much as possible and trying to feel your spine in its upright position. When you're ready, put your hands under the ribs by the side of your torso. Open your elbows and point it to the side. Slowly, start to rotate your entire torso from one side to another, moving very slowly, very deliberately, keeping both sides of the pelvis equal on the seat. Now just make sure that your head, neck, shoulders are moving in line with your torso, not your head moving faster than your torso. We don't want that. So that means your head shouldn't be turning too far back. That will be a good gauge. Go only as far as your range allows. Keep your knees pointing to the front. Still keeping yourself upright. And have your hands under the ribs here. Slowly translate your ribs from one side to another. Imagine both sides of your shoulders moving in one line, not one side higher than the other. Your entire chest faces front. Keep both sides of the pelvis grounded on the seat as much as possible. As you translate your ribs from one side to another, the pelvis stays grounded on the seat. Bring your arms up, palms face up, in line with your shoulders. And rotate your spine gently from one side to another. Keeping your face, your head in line with your chest. Again, don't turn your head too much because we don't want the head and neck to be out of alignment with the spine. Palms face up. That will ease the shoulder in this position, allowing the spine to spiral. As the spine moves, it will take the shoulders and the arms with it. In itself, the arms are passive. They are just following along. The rotation happens at the base of the spine. Do this slowly and deliberately. You might find your range of motion slowly increasing, that your spine has more range to rotate now. That's a very good thing. Continue, but your knees continue to point forward. Open up your arms again. And now, with the arms open, you move your torso from side to side, shifting from one side to another while both sides of the pelvis stay grounded, chest frontal, looking to the front, of course. just shifting your torso laterally. As we shift the torso, the spine moves along. I'm going to wrap up this routine here. If you like, you can continue doing it, of course, or repeat one more rep of the entire sequence in this video. If you like my content, do like, share, subscribe. It will help me grow my channel. I will appreciate that very much. And as always, keep moving, keep getting better. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and have a lovely day.